Good morning to all, good afternoon to all, good evening to all. I am Akila. I am pursuing graduation at TTWRDC, become second year. My topic is preposition. Preposition means a preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation with the other words of the sentence, which one a sentence that's that which one a sentence that's a which word is after the before the word and after the word that call as a prepositions. For example, in, on, at, to, by, for, since, into, between, and below, under, with, behind, upon, over, above, and beside, among, etc. These are the prepositions. For example, the newspaper is on the table. The newspaper on the table. The newspaper is on the table. On is a preposition. The is a noun. Here we said a preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun. A preposition word is a word before a noun or pronoun. Before a noun or pronoun is the is a noun. Before the on is preposition. Another example. The cat is in the table. Here in is preposition. The is noun. The is noun. Here another example. The cat is in the table. In is preposition. The is noun. Here we said a preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun. In is the preposition. The is noun. That's why we call the preposition. In preposition we have three types. In preposition we have three types. We have three types. First one, preposition of time. Preposition is contained as a time also. Preposition means preposition of time used to help indicate when something happened or happens or will happen in the future. Preposition of time used to help indicate when something happens or will happen in the future. Preposition is a time. Which time? In sometimes it happened and sometimes it happens, or well sometimes it happens. For example, we see there some words. In, on, at, from, to, before, after, during, since, ago, etc. In, at, on, at, from, to, before, after, during, since, ago, etc. These are used in prepositions of times. For example, the bus will stop here at 7 a.m. The bus will stop here at 7 a.m. It is time. It indicates the time. It indicates the time. Okay, this is time. It indicates the time. Another example we can see. Do we have a test on Friday? We can choose here so many times. At 8 p.m. at in Friday, at on which we can use in this time also. Do we have a test of Friday? Do we have a test of Friday? A test of Friday is in this test of on Friday. Sorry, on Friday. On is time. It indicates as a Friday. Another example we can see. Akila was born in 2002. Here in is indicates the time. Akila was born in 2002. We can choose the in this we can choose so many types also. In 19th century, in Friday, in some 2003, or we can choose in that we can choose any time also. In is indicates the time. This is called as a preposition of time. Preposition of time. And we can see second one also. Second one. Preposition of place. Preposition of place or position. we can see preposition of place or position. We can see definition. It is used to show the place or position of people, things or animals located. Okay, preposition of a place or position. It is used to show the place or position of people, things or animals location. Which we can use place, which we can use place or position, that is things or peoples, that is animals also. For example, we see, and preposition of place position is question the where, is question the where. Okay, example, at, in, on, over, under, and inside, outside, behind, above, below, up, down, etc. We preposition of place or position we can use at, in, on, over, under, inside, outside, behind, above, below, up, down, etc. We can see one is example. First example, Vamshi was waiting at the bus stop. Vamshi was waiting at the bus stop. It is place. We can choose as a place. We can indicate, it is indicate the bus stand. Bus stop means it is place or position. It called as a place or position. We can see another example also. Sidhu was sitting under the tree. Here under is indicate the place or position. Tree is a position, is indicate the under means place or position. It called as a preposition of place or position. We can see other examples also. There are a big clock below the painting. Here below is indicate the position or place. It called as a position of place or position. Next another preposition of movement or direction. We can see our definition. Preposition of movement or direction is used to indicate the movements of someone or something from one place to another place. Preposition of movement or direction. Preposition of movement or direction is used to indicate the movements of someone, something from one place to another place. Preposition of movements, it indicates the movements or someone or something. For example, we can see to, over, along, down, across, thought, towards, into, up, past, etc. We can see the preposition of movement direction indicates the to or over, along, down, across, thought, towards, into, up, past. We can see example. First one, we went to Mancherial last Sunday. Here to is movement, to is tells to the direction. Which direction? We went Mancherial last Sunday. Here to is not there. We can talk this sentence. We went Mancherial last day. Which movement we can identify in this sentence. Which we can identify the sentence. We cannot identify the sentence. That's why we can identify this to is there. We can identify the movement or direction. This to is called this to is indicates the movement or direction. We went to Mancherial last Sunday. Here to is indicates the movements of the last Sunday Mancherial. This indicates the direction and movements. We can see another example also. She is walking into the house. Here she is walking into the house. Here into is movement or direction. It can indicates the movements or direction. We can see another example also. The dog is running towards me. Or you also, we can choose in the sentence towards. Here towards is movement. It can indicates the movement or direction The dog is running towards the me. Here towards is a movement or direction. Thanking to all for your cooperation.